it to you, I'm defenseless. Your kiss is a question. Double take, does it taste like deception? Is my touch not enough?
What up, YouTube? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sherri. I'm so glad that you joined me today. We are sitting here in the wee hours of the morning on a Friday morning, my second day into school. I'm wearing my fancy Q Crew t-shirt. Q is Cushing Upper Elementary where I teach. But I thought that I would go ahead and get ready with you, kind of on a fast forward. I know you guys are probably getting a little bit tired of not hearing from me, but I'm having to film in the morning when I'm getting ready for work because that's all the time I have right now. When I get home from work, I'm like this. I'm that tired. So I had some requests and I filmed this video before, but my lighting, my new camera, things are going wonky. I don't know how to fix it and I don't have time to experiment at the moment. So I'm back to filming on my camera for now, but I do have my lights in a different place. It's whatever, you guys. But my friend Dana asked me to please film something with the LORAC Unzipped, so there we go. And my friend Sabrina said that she would like to see the LORAC Pro contour palette in action. And since I'm using a palette that has no transition shade, I'm going to use the one in this little bitty LORAC palette. And since I'm on a roll here, I'm going to use the blush from this LORAC cheek palette. So this is an installment in Rocking Every Palette, and in this video I'm going to be rocking 4 LORAC palettes. How's that for killing a bunch of birds with one stone? So I'm going to use these on fast forward. I will try for my friend Cindy and everybody else to slow down when I'm showing you the shades so that you can see what I'm using. When I fast forward, I don't realize that if I just hold it up for 5 seconds, it's gonna shrink it down to like 1 second. So I'll do the best I can. And so with no further ado, I'm going to start the fast forward and get myself ready for work.
Don't ask for too much, you're busy, I get it, but with me or with it, I miss you, girl. We be like the same thing, so why are you far? Just open your heart and give me your all. Unless your love is mine. Unless your love is mine. Unless your love is mine. I miss you, girl. I miss you, girl. My heart is a weapon. I gave it to you, I'm defenseless. Your kiss is a question. Double take, does it taste like deception? Is my touch not enough? Cause we stay up all night, all night. No more drugs, but the rush leaves us like alright, alright. Ain't got no time, no time. Ain't got no time, no time, no. Ain't got no time, no time, no. Unless your love is mine. My heart is a weapon, but your eyes could teach me a lesson. I look away for a second, and turn around to your mouth second guessing. Is my touch not enough? Cause we stay up all night, all night. No more drugs, but the rush leaves us like alright, alright. is amazing. No, I'm not the best guy, but I think that we should just try. Girl, we could be somebody. Don't know what your past like, but I met you in a past life. You're not just anybody. It's gotta be a catch, right? 'Cause I know, you don't ask for too much. You're busy, I get it, but with me or with it, I miss you, girl. We be like the same thing, so why are you far? Just open your heart and give me your all. Unless your love is mine, unless your love is mine, unless your love is mine. I miss you, girl. I miss you, girl. My heart is a weapon. I gave it to you, I'm defenseless. Your kiss is a question. Double take, does it taste like deception? Is my touch not enough? 'Cause we stay up all night. No more drugs, but the rush leaves us like alright. Ain't got no time, no time. Ain't got no time, no time, no. Ain't got no time, no time, no. Unless your love is mine.
Okay guys, back with the finished eye look. I used Christina Demi Wispies. I used Wander Mascara and Rimmel Lash Accelerator. I used a Kat Von D Trooper liner with some NYX Epic ink liner. You guys know I make cocktails of everything. So for the lippy today, I'm going to go simple. Dolly Danger Plump Line Lip Lime by Buxom and Plum Rose by Milani. I'm going to set with some Urban Decay Chill Makeup Setting Spray. Alright folks, that's it for me. Let me give you a up close and personal final look. I seriously love this palette, and if I have a transition color and a brow bone, I can use it very effectively. I think it's super beautiful, and so this is one that I know for sure I will keep. So that's it for me. Like, this is really it for me. I have to get to work. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed it. Dana, I hope you liked the look I came up with. Sabrina, I hope you enjoyed seeing how I use the contour palette. And everybody else, thank you so much for joining me. I appreciate you all so much. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, take care and God bless. Bye guys. Sherri, I'm here in the wee hours of the morning prior to me, and the light lights up. You don't light up when I want you to, but you light up when I don't want you to. Fine then. Fine then. And let's get into this. Yeah, that sounded dumb. So with no further ado, I'm going to get in and... If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a
My heart is a weapon. I gave it to you, I'm defenseless. Your kiss is a question. Double take, does it taste like deception?